Today I'm just going to riff generally about cloud computing and the mass migration that seems to be taking place. I'm Warren Milburn and this is the Smart Tech Small Business Podcast. Why should big IT be the preserve of big companies? Here we discuss how you as a small business owner, managing director or C-level executive can better use big IT ideas to greatly benefit your business. There is more to the cloud than you'd care to know about, and depending on your configuration there are some aspects that need more attention than others. Fortunately, help is at hand, but it still pays to be a little bit savvy from your point of view, so here we go. For us, choosing the right cloud services for your business can be challenging, as there are many factors to consider. Here are some of the key ones that we can look at to make sure it's right for you. Business needs. The first step is to assess your business needs and identify what type of cloud services will be most beneficial. We'd need to consider factors such as the size of your business, the industry you operate in, your existing IT infrastructure, and your budget. When it comes to choosing the right cloud service model, there are three main models to choose from: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Each model offers different levels of control and flexibility, so it's important to choose the right model that aligns with your business needs. We need to evaluate cloud service providers. Once we've identified the cloud service model that would work best for you, we can evaluate cloud providers that offer the services you need. We consider factors such as pricing, security features, uptime guarantees, and support. If you already have existing IT infrastructure, it's important to consider how the cloud services would integrate with them. We'd choose cloud services that offer easy integration with the existing infrastructure to cut down on the cost and complexity of the migration. Security is a critical factor to consider when choosing cloud services for your business. We'd look for providers that offer the robust security features, such as encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits. Scalability is often a factor for growing companies. We tend to choose cloud services that are scalable and can grow with your business. This will ensure that we can easily add additional resources as and when, without having to switch to a different provider. If you've enjoyed this episode, please follow us for more informational gems on smart tech for small businesses. So that was it. 5 aspects of migrating to the cloud we'd look at to make it as painless as possible for your business. Just to summarize, we looked at assessing your needs, choosing the right cloud service model, evaluating cloud providers, integrating with your existing systems, and the security and scalability implications of making such a move. Thank you for listening to the little nugget in this episode, and no, I'm not talking about me. This is the Smart Tech Small Business Podcast, and I'm Warren Milburn of Infrazen.tech.